when it's put in place. The tree trunk has been laid down on the school premises on our grassland area and has been turned into a bench for us to sit on. Jim and Ben were really kind and they showed us all of the sorts of tools that they were using to help bring the tree down. We didn't go close to any of the dangerous tools or to the wood chipper, but they showed us all of their safety clothes and the gear that they used, including carabiners and the spiky shoes that they wore to help them climb up the trees. In the end, the tree has been felled, and now we've got 6 more grown-up trees being delivered to school to plant in its place.
Okay, our Serenai Aroithnos. Today we have Nursery AM Harrison P for fantastic descriptions of how a beanstalk grew. Wonderful. Nursery PM Aria for being a good listener. That's very, very important. Not many people are good at that, Aria. Reception, Miss Jamal. Nyla for playing so nicely with her friends. That's good news. Reception, Mrs. Bynan. Elliot for trying so hard to blend his sounds to read. Very well done to you, Elliot. Year 1, Miss Barnes. Jackson for wonderful maths work. He's able to give change from 10p now. Well done. You can go shopping now. Year 1, Miss O'Connor, Mrs. Griffith's class. Toby for showing great math skills and excellent understanding of finding totals with money and reading o'clock and digital times. Wow, that's fantastic. What a lot of progression. Year 2, Miss Colasanto's class. Hannah for being kind and helpful and trying her best. We can't ask more, Hannah. That is wonderful news. Year 2, Miss Jones' class. Emily D for being a very, very kind friend. Oh, Emily, that's just the people we're looking for in Brynhyfryd Primary School. People with lots of empathy. Year 3, Miss Murray's class. Lola, fantastic attitude to your learning this week, Lola, and excellent research. Brilliant. Year 3, Miss Fitzgerald's class. Riley P for fantastic writing sentences, including adjectives and adverbs. Ooh, very clever, Riley. I like it. Year 4, Mrs. Thomas Davis' class. Megan for consistently great attitudes and high levels of attainment in all areas of her work. Brilliant work, Megan. Well done. Year 4, Mrs. Jones. Mason M for working with a huge amount of confidence on all his maths work. Wow, what a lot of good maths work we've got going on this week. Well done to you, Mason. Year 5, Miss Hayes Junior for staying focused with all of his work and listening carefully. Oh, another good listener. That's a really good improvement for you there today, Junior. Year 5, Mrs. Evans' class. Winston for going out of his way to help others without even having to be asked. Winston, wonderful news. Year 6, Miss Higgs. Lily May for her wonderful creativity and enthusiasm when sharing her ideas for our new outdoor area. Oh, Lily May, I can't wait to see what we can do together with those outdoor areas. And Year 6, Mrs. Jones. Brendan. Huge well done, Brendan, for challenging himself and having such a positive attitude towards his maths. Wow, we cannot ask more, Brendan. That is wonderful news. I hope that your learning goes from strength to strength. Good boy. Well, a huge well done to all of this term's Serenai Aroithnos, our stars of the week. It's soon going to be Easter Sunday when Christians celebrate Jesus' resurrection and how they can have a friendship with him. And I'm sure lots of you will be enjoying Easter eggs and other nice things. So from everybody here in Brynhyfryd Primary School, please stay safe, healthy, happy, and have fun in your break. We have already been planning lots of new interesting things that you can learn about together next term. So we want you all back together with big smiles on your faces and lots of interesting questions that we can explore together in the summer term. So until then, have a brilliant break and be kind to everyone.